Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing this half up half down. I bought this little cheap hair from the beauty supply store because I wanted to try this half up half down style, but I didn't want to use an expensive hair because it's my first time trying it. So as you can see, I already mark where I'm gonna glue the tracks. I'm just gonna glue it. I'm not gonna sew it. All you basically have to do is glue the tracks from ear to ear like I'm doing. You're just gonna apply the glue, apply the hair, then you're just gonna blow dry the hair. It's pretty simple. You're just gonna do it going across, and make sure when you applying the track you curve the hair so it can fall right on your ears. It's pretty simple. This is a half wig. It's my first time trying this. I don't know how it's gonna come out, but yeah, that's why I just went and got some cheap hair from the store, from the beauty supply store. And eventually I want to recreate this style, but I want to recreate with better hair. Since it's my first time doing it, and then since I'm using glue, not sewing it, I didn't want to use an expensive hair like I said. So it's just pretty much it's pretty easy. Just gonna glue the hair from side to side, just like so. It's pretty easy to do. Anybody could do it. That was my first time doing a half wig, but eventually, like I said, I want to try to do this with I would say like a wet and wavy hair. Just gonna blow dry, just gonna do it across. You're just gonna measure, apply your glue, blow dry, and cut. As you can see where I added the lines, that's I'm just gonna follow that line that I made with a marker. I forgot to show how I got that line, but it's pretty much easy. You're just gonna put the wig cap on your head, and you're just gonna measure. You're just gonna mark it from ear to ear, and then that's just where you're gonna apply the closure. And then the front of the cap, I'm gonna cut it off because I won't be needing that. I only used two packs. The hair came with 3 packs. I only used 2. I left the other one so I could do the bun on top. You're just gonna go across once you get to that part. And then here is the half wig. I'm just cutting the XX cap because I won't need that. It's pretty easy to do. And then here we're done with the half wig. And now I'm gonna start getting my hair ready. As you can see, this brush, this blow dryer thing, whatever they call it, is like a lifesaver because my hair is extremely nappy and hard. So without this brush, I can't do anything. It's pretty much like a blow dryer slash brush at the same time. So like as you can see, I parted my hair from ear to ear, and then the front part is gonna be for my ponytail, and then the back I'm just gonna braid it down. The braid doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. All you have to do is just do like 4 chunky braids, because you're gonna add the half wig on top of it, so it doesn't really matter how you braid it actually, because you're gonna put the half wig over it, so it doesn't really matter. As you can see, this is all I did. You can straighten the front of your hair if you want to make the ponytail look more slick, but I did not have the time, and I don't like putting heat to my hair like that. So I just blow dried it and used some edge control. This one is the Argan Oil edge control that I used. I just put a little bit of edge control and made a ponytail. Nothing serious. It's pretty easy style. Like I said, this was my first time doing it. Next time when I do it, it's gonna be better because now I know what to do and what not to do. But I just wanted to try it out to see how I would like it. So I'm just brushing my edges. My hair is so thick, it's not even funny. Like so hard and coarse. Oh my god. So just gonna put my hair up in a ponytail. And then what you see me adding here, this thing, they call it cover your grays. The thing is, I have alopecia, meaning that I have certain bald spot on my hairlines. So when I use this, it kind of like make your edges look fuller. So I got it, this is my first time trying it. I got it from the beauty supply store. I think the name of it is called Cover Your Grays. So it's basically make your edges looks fuller. It's my first time trying it. It's pretty dark though. They have different colors. They have brown ones, and this one is a black one. And I'm just gonna like wrap it around, make a little bun, so I can wrap the remaining of the weave around that little bun. I'm just gonna put some splits to make the hair stay. And I'm just gonna attempt to do my edges because it's always hard for me to do my edges because my hair is so thick. My hair never gets to lay properly. So I'm just using some Ego styling gel to see if my edges will cooperate. I should have straightened my hair to make it more slick, but like I said, I didn't have time to straighten my hair. So next time I'll try straightening my hair. As you can see, these edges were not cooperating at all, but it's okay. Yeah, these edges were like, no, not today. Not today. And in here, I'm just gonna wrap my hair so that I can, so my hair can set, and I'm just gonna use the blow dryer to speed the drying process. Just gonna blow dry that for a few minutes. I was in a rush when I was doing this hairstyle because I was on my way out, but I really would want to do it again eventually when I get other good quality hair. I would not recommend getting this hair because it's trash. Well, I got it cheap anyways. I just wanted to try it out. And then here I'm just gonna sew down the half wig. You have to sew it down. You can either add some clips if you want, but I didn't have any clips, so I'm just gonna sew it down. I'm gonna sew the top and the bottom and the corners, so in 4 different places. It's pretty easy. You don't have to sew it all around. You just gotta make sure that the wig is secure. Just gonna sew that down. And I lost the footage. There's one more footage I had, but I lost it. So here is the only footage that I have left of me sewing the hair. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this hairstyle. If you try it, please let me know. Please comment, subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you guys again next time. Thank you for watching.